let's talk about REPL in this video. So what is REPL? It is basically a computer environment. It's similar to shell or PowerShell. To be honest, any type of shell. Node comes with REPL system pre-installed. To understand it, let's see what it stands for. So R stands for read, which reads the input from user and passes it into JavaScript data. Basically, it's stored in the memory. Then eval, which is to evaluate the results from past JavaScript data. Then it's print. The result is printed after the evaluation, and then it's loop. You can loop the input commands, and to come out of REPL, we can do .exit or Control C twice. Let's get started with REPL. To trigger it, we can use Node and then hit enter in the PowerShell. In REPL, we can execute JavaScript code. For example, I'm gonna add 5 plus 6, which is an arithmetic operation. I'm gonna initialize a variable and get 58. Let's add 22 with the variable. We can even browse functions of the core modules which are there in Node.js. For example, this is file system fs. You can see that there are many functions within file system. Let's delete the folder that we created bare. There you go, the folder got deleted. You can use .help to check out the help section of REPL. As you can see, it shows that you can use Control C to avoid the current expression, Control D to exit the REPL, and we exited it. You can even exit it using .exit. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Check out the whole playlist for the whole tutorial. Peace out.